Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question and we have to differentiate this question. So let's start the differentiation of this question. We will use quotient rule for the solution of this question, and according to quotient rule, f prime u divided by v equal to v u prime minus u v prime divided by v squared. So here we have u equal to this value x square ln sin x, and we have v equal to ex into square root of 1 plus x power 4. So let's put these values in this formula. So v means this value, and then u prime means differentiation of u. So we will use differentiation of this. So the differentiation of ln x square ln sin x, and then minus this minus, and u, we have u equal to x square ln sin x, this value, and differentiation of v. So this is our v, so we will differentiate this value and divided by v square. So we have v, this is our v, and v square means square on this value. And now in this equation, we will differentiate this term and this term separately. Then we will put the values of these two terms in this equation and we will solve. So let's move forward. Now we will differentiate this and then we will differentiate this term. So for the differentiation of this term, let's the differentiation of x square ln sin x. So this is again in the form of uv, that is in product. So we will use product rule over here, and according to that product rule, first term as it is, and differentiation of second term, and then second term as it is, and differentiation of first term. So this is the product rule. So ln sin x as it is, and differentiation of x square, and then x square as it is, and differentiation of ln sin x. So now when we differentiate x square, so it will become it will become 2x, and ln sin x, and here x square as it is, and when we differentiate ln sin x, so as we know, the differentiation of ln x equal to 1 divided by x. So therefore this will become 1 divided by sin x, and again we will differentiate its angle, that is differentiation of sin x. And in next step, 2x ln sin x, and this will become x square, and 1 divided by sin x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. And in the next step, this cos x divided by sin x will become cot x. So overall we have the differentiation of x square ln sin x equal to 2x ln sin x plus x square cot x. Now we can put this value in over here in place of this, but before putting this value over here, first we will differentiate this term. So let's differentiate this term. So this is also ex into square root of 1 plus x power 4 is also in product form, and we will apply product formula over here, product rule. So according to product rule, differentiation of one term and other as it is, and then differentiation of other and first term as it is. So let's differentiate this value according to product formula. So this will remain as it is, and differentiation of e power x, and then e power x will remain as it is, and differentiation of this value. So then this equation will become, this value will be as it is, and the differentiation of e power x is e power x plus e power x, this e power x, and when we differentiate this, so we will write for power first. So the power of this is 1 divided by 2, and then we subtract 1 from the power, so the power is half, and the half minus 1, and then we differentiate its base. So its base is 1 plus x power 4, so we will differentiate this. And now this will become ex, this ex into square root of 1 plus x power 4, and here this 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, and this value, this half minus 1 will become minus half. So the power is minus half, so we can take this into denominator. So in denominator it will be equal to square root of 1 plus x power 4. This is basically x power 4. And the differentiation of 1 plus x power 4 is 4x cube, 4x cube, because we write the power first and then we subtract 1 from the power, so it will become 4x cube. So this will become 4x cube. Now overall the differentiation of this term will be equal to e power x into, we will take e power x is common, so e power x into this value, and 2x cube divided by square root of 1 plus x power 4. So here we have cancelled this 2 with this, so 2 times 2 equal to 4. So here we have 2x cube, and this 2 will be cancelled with this. So now we have both the values, that is this value and this value, and now we will put these values of the differentiation in this equation. So this is the main equation, and now we will put the value of this, and we will put the value of this. So the value of this is equal to 2x into ln sin x plus x square into cot x, and here we have the value of this equal to ex into square root of 1 plus x power 4 plus 2x cube divided by a square root of 1 plus x power 4. And now we will take this ex into 1 ex into square root of 1 plus x power 4 as common. So when we take this common from here, so here we have 2x into ln sin x plus x square minus cot x, and here minus x square ln sin x, and here we will have 1, and here this term will become 1 plus x power 4. Why? Because uh, we have no common over here. This value is not present over here, so to balance this value we will multiply one time this square root of 1 plus x power 4. So when we multiply with this, so this will become 2 times in square root. So 2 times square root when cancel equal to power 1, because half power half and power half equal to 1. So any value in square root 2 times equal to 1 time basically. So this will become 1 plus x power 4. And now look over here, we have this value 2 times over here, and this is 1 time, so this value will cancel this value 1 time, and now this will become the final equation will become, this will cancel with this square. So we will have 2x ln sin x plus x square cot x minus x square into ln sin x, and this value divided by ex into square root of 1 plus x power 4. So this is the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question regarding this question, so please you can ask in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.